Hello everybody, today we are going to discuss one interesting feature of Odoo 14 in purchase order, which is how we can create a blanket purchase order agreement, and from that how we can initiate the purchases over a period of time. Let's go to purchase menu. As a purchase manager, I would be first creating a purchase agreement for a blanket order. To do that, I can go to orders menu under purchase agreements. I'm going to create a new purchase agreement. I have two types of agreement, call for tender and blanket order. I'm going to choose the blanket order. Since it's a blanket order, so the vendor is predefined. The currency can be selected from here. We can define an ordering date, delivery date, and agreement deadline. Since the company is predefined, so the operation type will also be prefixed, but of course you can always change it. You can define the products. I'm going to choose 3 products. I'm going to define the quantity that will be included in the blanket purchase order. I'll also predefine the price. Once this is done, I will confirm and my purchase agreement is now ready. Now, as long as this purchase agreement is valid, which will depend on the order quantities, this purchase agreement or a blanket order will remain in motion. To create any purchase order associated with this purchase agreement, I can simply go to this purchase agreement once again, open my purchase agreement and click on new quotation. The advantage that you have that all the information that has been selected in agreement is predefined. Your vendor is coming automatically based on the agreement. Your order deadline, your receipt date, your source document, and of course here the quantity selection has to be done. So I'm going to select certain quantity. Unit price is fixed. The taxation in the product, and finally I click on confirm to confirm the order. This will now create my purchase order. Now I have ordered 4, 5 and 2 quantities. If I look at my blanket order, you can see that the order quantity has now been updated. Okay. If I want to pre-close this purchase agreement of blanket order, I can do that. If not, I can continue to do that. After this purchase agreement, all order quantities have been placed. You can go ahead and close this purchase agreement as well. Once you close this, you will not be able to create any further quotation right from here. There is also option for printing which is available on the top, and a smart button is available to see all the orders which has been created from this blanket order. That's all for now. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.